Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do the unboxing of my new gadget DJI Mini 2. So as you can see, this is Mini 2, and they have removed the Mavic from DJI Mini, so it is not DJI Mavic Mini 2, it's just Mini 2. And I bought it in Poland, so I got this extra guide instruction booklet, and but this is in Polish, so of no use. Let's go ahead and open this. I have good nails. And it says open from here. So here we have our drone. So I'm gonna just take it out, and then we have the manual here. I think it's in English, and then we have the connectors, USB cable for charging, and some extra propellers, and here we have the remote. So here we have the remote controller, and these are the remote control sticks. I'll just take them out and fix it here. There you go. Just keep it out. This is the place where you will put your mobile phone, and these are the connector. So by default it gives you this iPhone connector here, and if you want to change this to some other phone, you have these extra connectors over here, C-type and the micro USB. And let's look at the drone now. Just open this sticker. So these ones, they will go like this, and these ones will come out like this. Yep. And we have another sticker here, so I'm just going to take it out, this sticker, and here you can see this is the battery compartment. This is the battery. I need to charge this first before I'll use. Here is the connector for charging the device. Here you can insert the memory card. You can just close this. Now look at this part. Here you can see the camera cover. I'll just take it out, and this is your camera with the gimbal. This is a 4K camera. This, the back arms, I'll close this like this, and front arms will go back like this. This is what you get in the DJI Mini 2 box. Now let's charge this drone and connect to the mobile. Then we will try the first flight. So guys, if you don't want to connect to the iPhone and you want to connect to some Android phone or USB with USB-C, you can just remove this connector from here. See this one? You can just remove it from here. And use the extra connector they have given. So this one is for micro USB, and the other one is for type C. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this type C cable here. And the other end at my phone. And I can just fix my phone like this. You can turn on the remote from here. You click once and then you keep pressing for a couple of minutes and it will be on. But you can charge this remote controller from here, this port. I need to install the DJI Fly software first. So I'm gonna install this now and I will charge the battery by then. See this port, I can even use my power bank to charge the drone like this, and it will start charging with the charging cable, and you can see these lights will start blinking when it's charging. Hey guys, so now we are going to install the DJI Fly app, and here it is. It's like 258 MB. So the app is installed. Let's open this app. App asks for phone permissions. That's it all. Allow DJI Fly to access this device location. While using this app, it will have access to all my source. Now it's unzipping the source file, initializing resource data. It's showing me the ad. I'm just to skip this. I'll agree. These are the authorization it's asking for: mobile device GPS info, DJI device GPS info, DJI device hardware. I'll click next. DJI would like this is improvement project, so maybe they will collect my usage data or something. I'm not interested right now. I need to log in or register, so I need to enter my phone number or email over here. This is new user guide, finding the best place to fly. Before you fly, let's watch a series of 3 short videos to help you learn. You can find these videos on YouTube, so I'm just gonna skip them. Now it's asking to connect the aircraft. For that I need to turn on my drone. I need to connect the app to the remote controller. For that I will press this button once and then hold it till I hear this beep sound. So now this controller is on, remote controller is on. I'll pull this out and keep out this cable from here. Keep out this cable from here. Put my phone over here and connect this cable to the phone. So now it's saying allow DJI Fly app to access Mavic series, and I will click on this checkbox to always open DJI Fly when Mavic series is connected, and click on OK. It's also asking me always open DJI Fly when Mavic series is connected. OK. Now it's asking me to do the aircraft setup and power on. So to do that, I need to unfold the front and rear aircraft arms, right? So it says that unfold the arms like forward. So I'll do this, the front arms to the forward, and then turn it back and move these like this, pull them out. So the this is out, and I can remove this camera cover like this. The second thing is to remove the gimbal protector that I have removed. This was the gimbal protector. Third is slide the battery into the battery compartment and short press the aircraft button, and then press and hold it again to turn on the power. This is the back of the aircraft, where you can see these two are the sensor which determine the height from the ground. This is the light, and I'll just press this once and hold it to turn on the, until I'll hear the sound and this light starts blinking. That means my aircraft is turned on. And you can see the app, it automatically detects that the gimbal is turned on, and I can go fly now. So it's also asking me to agree to the policy. I'll just agree to that, and it says aircraft activated. So now I'll click on done. So now I'm ready to connect to the aircraft. For that, my aircraft is charged. I just need to turn it on. So I'll press this once and then keep pressing it till I hear the sound. That means this is on now. Yeah, I'll keep it like this, and now I'll see. So it's connected to DJI Mini 2. I'll click on go fly, and now what I can do is like hold these controls both to downwards, and you see this is on now and it's ready to fly. So also I can click on this button, you see, and click on this land to stop it. So in next videos I'm gonna show you how to fly it in open space. So guys, hope you liked this video, and if you do like it, then please hit the like button, comment what do you like, and hit subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.